Today we're making harvest fajitas. Before we get started, go ahead and wash your hands for 20 seconds with warm, soapy water. Here are our fajita ingredients. We'll need 1 large zucchini, washed and chopped, 1 large yellow squash, washed and chopped, 1 bell pepper, washed and chopped, 1 eggplant, washed and chopped, 1 onion, sliced, 2 cloves of garlic, chopped, 1 to 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, and 6 whole wheat tortillas. Gather up the salsa ingredients as well. We'll need 2 tomatoes, washed and diced, 1 jalapeno pepper, washed and diced, a half green bell pepper, washed and diced, a half an onion, diced, and the juice of 1 lime. Canned, frozen, or fresh, all forms count. Feel free to use canned diced tomatoes, drained, for the salsa, or frozen bell peppers for the fajita filling, whatever is easiest for you. The squash in this recipe are a great swap-opportunity. Feel free to use 2 small zucchini if you can't find a large one, and same with the yellow squash. Or, if you can't find any zucchini, go ahead and use 2 large yellow squash. It's a pretty flexible recipe. Use what you have on hand. No garlic cloves, use a teaspoon of garlic powder. No Italian seasoning, use dried basil or dried oregano. Before we get started, the first step is to rinse all your ingredients in cool running water. Next up, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Chop and measure all your ingredients. Next up, toss all your fajita vegetables in a bowl with oil and seasoning. Then, spread your vegetables on a metal baking sheet. Once your oven is preheated, you can go ahead and throw them on in. Bake for about 20 minutes, turning occasionally. You'll know they're done when the vegetables are tender and browning on the edges. While the veggies are baking, toss all of your salsa ingredients together. Once the veggies are done baking in the oven, you can go ahead and assemble your fajitas by filling a tortilla with a portion of veggies and topping with salsa and any other fixings you've got on hand. Enjoy these tasty fajitas for lunch or dinner any day of the week.